I have conducted over 2,000 murder appeals in the High Court, so I'm somewhat familiar with the shortcomings and with the loopholes of our criminal justice system. Taking full advantage from the presence of the worthy guest, I would very briefly highlight some of the aspects, very briefly, that I was able to pinpoint yesterday that I would mention today. The first one would be that in order to have robust prosecutions in Pakistan, what we require is an effective and active investigation system. It is the need of the hour that we recruit fresh and efficient and above all honest police officers. Without honesty, without integrity and without efficiency, we are not going anywhere. Modern methods and modern techniques need to be adopted. Pakistan has not been able to effectively deal in the criminal prosecutions of aiders, abettors, conspirators, facilitators. I'm referring to counter-terrorism and I'm referring to the terror financing. So this is a weak area where we would be requiring assistance in the longer run. There are straightaway arrests in Pakistan, in haste, I would say, merely on the basis of suspicions. This needs to go away. There are repeated judgments from the Honorable Supreme Court that this has to stop. The most forward-looking change that is required is that there has to be a shift from the testimonial-based evidence. My brothers and sisters from the police department are sitting here. What we need is a shift from 161 CRPC to modern scientific evidence. In order to have watertight convictions, in order to have prosecutions where prosecution is able to discharge its burden beyond the shadow of doubt, we need to adopt the modern evidence, the scientific evidence, the forensic evidence. We have state-of-the-art laboratory in Pakistan, but unfortunately the crime scene handling technique in Pakistan needs special attention, because very usually it is seen that our investigating officers collect inadmissible and irrelevant evidence leading to failed prosecutions. One thing more which I would like to point out, everywhere in the West, in the US, I see there is coordination and there is supervisory role of prosecution with the police officer. They constantly guide and coach and tutor and direct. This is totally lacking and missing in Pakistan. There's a lot of over-reliance on a document called FIR. You will be familiar with this document, sir. This is the foundation. The need is that 173 report, the final report, must gain its importance. 154 is just the beginning of the case. What we need is a police officer to give his finding, and that should matter in the end. Prosecutorial discretion, sir. In Pakistan, I am waiting for the day when the prosecution discharges its duty and collects quality evidence. Forcing accused to succumb to the temptation of plea bargains. We don't have that in Pakistan. We don't have, so with every accused who are even apprehended from the spot red-handed, they think, they are convinced they have a fair chance to walk away with it, to walk away with the crime. This needs to stop. I can go on and on, but I must stop here. I must stop here. And I would once again express my deepest gratitude and our appreciation for your visit to Pakistan, and we are looking forward to learn so much from you, sir. Thank you very much.